I don't have time to declutter. How many times have I heard that? How many times have I said that? The truth is, every one of us has time to declutter. I am asking you to declutter for 4 15-minute segments once a week. So if you work outside the home, it's 4 times together, like that's an hour, right? 15, 30, 45 an hour on Saturday morning, for example. Or if you're an at-home homemaker, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We don't do it on Tuesday. No decluttering today. So you don't look at the whole mountain. You look at the little pile and you work for 15 minutes. That's all I'm asking you to do. You do have 15 minutes. I don't care what you have to do. You have 15 minutes if you make it a priority and get it done as early as possible in the day. Will it always happen on the day you say? Nope. Will you fail and fall short of accomplishing your goals? Yep. But perfection isn't what we're looking for. We're looking for progress. So today, do 15 minutes of zone work, plan it, prioritize it, and get it done. Make it a great day.